Man, look how pretty in the morning. Wow. Where are we going?
Puerto Rico.
This time. Yes.
Alright guys, we are on our way to the airport because we're going to Puerto Rico. So excited.
So we can't go to the airport without her stopping at Starbucks and going through this line every time.
It's like tiring. Vegan deli slices.
Okay.
For protein. I got vegan pierogies for George.
Yes.
Blueberry muffins.
Yes.
And they come with the calories. If you track them on MyFitnessPal, just plug in blueberry muffins from Whole Foods Vegan. Really good. And oatmeal. That's all I brought with me. Oh, and protein powder.
I got a little too much paper.
Starting off the trip. Right. They're only like under 400 calories, about the same macros as oatmeal, so.
Look at the oatmeal. Look at how happy.
It's almost like a cornbread type of thing with blueberries.
It's amazing. Let me teach you a little secret. You look aggressive on the plane, you end up with an empty seat next to you. Every time.
Some oatmeal, and all I did was grab some hot water from the coffee bar back here, and I added some LIV Body protein powder, and that's it. I brought a little kitchen scale, I measured it all out, mixed it, and now we're having breakfast. How is it? Good?
Yummy.
Go. So you guys, sorry if I have food in my face. You've seen me do this plenty of times. This is basically a DIY trail mix. So in here I got kamut puffs, edamame beans, and almonds. And you can really customize it to whatever you want depending on your personal macros. So it's super easy to travel with. And I put it in my stasher bag. See guys, I'm doing better. Less plastic. So you have to try it. Let me know what would be your favorite combo for your own protein trail mix. In here, there's 18 grams of protein. So what will you put in yours? Let me know. I need ideas.
It looks like there's still some windows and aisles towards the back of the aircraft, but please only put your large items in them.
You're out there.
Yeah, just like a lot of convenient stuff, you know. Nothing ideal, but I mean, at least I'm getting some calories in.
Right here at the baggage claim.
Wait, hello. I didn't know you were coming.
It's a crib's not a
Welcome.
pornography.
Welcome to my crib. Check it out. Check out the bathroom. So, we're staying at, oh jeez, that was flawless. Staying at the Caribbean Hilton. Check it out. Duo sinks. I don't know. Is this a duo? No. This is a single shower, but pretty good.
Ratchet.
Then we have a bed. A super huge closet. Not bad, not bad. TV, and the only thing I care for in this room, the coffee machine. Yeah. And this amazing view. Just so you guys know, I don't know if they can see that point over there. Can they see that point?
Yeah, they can see it.
So that point over there is where I grew up surfing every single day. It's so crazy to be back home. I haven't been here since 2015, so it's pretty surreal.
Man.
And it smells like the beach. Let's take it all in. Okay,
Time to eat.
let's eat.
Bay's excited. Oh, let's go out there.
I went simple because we have a photo shoot tomorrow, so I got salad, green beans and carrots, and more carrots. And then check what George has.
What do I got?
Lentil loaf, vegan seitan, Puerto Rican style, and some rice. Really
Ooh.
yummy. Oh, and I got a vegan papaya dressing to put here. I don't know.
Is it pass?
It's really
Is
good.
it magic?
It's magic. So guys, this is our first date place, and it's about to close. It's closed, but yeah, it's insane. George and
Where it all
I
happened.
came here 9.5 years ago, right?
A long time ago.
Holy moly.
And now
Oh,
it's
that's
just
so sad, it's closed. So
paper on the windows.
yeah, when I met George, I told him, hey, at that time I was vegetarian, and I told him, hey, hey, I'm vegetarian, and he was like, oh, no big deal, I know a place. So he took me here, and he was such a gentleman, and it was so much fun.
Got me breathless when you do all the things you do to me. You got me reckless, got me reckless when you say all the things you say to me.